Welcome to Wayne Tech series on Excel 2016. Today we are going to see how we can separate a set of names set into from one field into two fields so that the surname appears in one field and the first name appears in the other field. You can see here we have a set of names and they're all in one field, the D column. We want it to appear in the D and the E column. So here's the process. Go to your data tab and see I'm already there. And in the data tools section, you will see a button called text to columns. Click that button. Now you see what happens when you click the button without selecting anything. So the first thing you need to do is to select the names, or shall I say the cells that contains the names that you want to split. So here we go. I've selected all of my names, and this could have been longer. I go to the data tab, text to columns. Click the button, and here in the new dialog box you have two options: delimited or fixed width. Leave it at the default, delimited. Do not change anything else. Click next. Now, here you need to tell the program how are the words to be separated. We are not using tabs, we are not using semicolons, we are not using commas, we are using space. So when the system sees the space between the two names, they assume that one is supposed to be in one field and the other one in the other field. So you ignore the one at the bottom that says other. Leave everything else as is. Click next. Here you may or may not use what you see here. Because there are names, I'm going to click text and then click finish. And there you go. Now all the surnames have moved to the E column. You can adjust here. There you have it. First names in the D column, surnames in the E columns.